Hey everyone, my name is David Richard from WeeklyTools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to talk about, a powerful tool that can help you understand your car better and save you money on diagnostics. I'm talking about the AUTOPHIX 3210 OBD2 Scanner. In this video, we'll be reviewing its features, functionality, and how you can use it to keep your car running smoothly. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now, let's get started. The AUTOPHIX 3210 OBD2 Scanner is a powerful and versatile car diagnostic tool that can be used to read and clear trouble codes, view live data streams, and perform a variety of other tests. It is compatible with all OBD2 compliant vehicles, which includes most cars and trucks from 1996 and newer. Also, the AUTOPHIX 3210 is an OBD2 scanner designed to give you insight into your vehicle's performance. OBD2 stands for Onboard Diagnostics, and this scanner is a game changer when it comes to understanding what's happening under the hood. Let's take a closer look at its key features. The AUTOPHIX 3210 OBD2 scanner has a wide range of features, including reads and clears trouble codes DTCs, views live data streams, performs I or M readiness tests, displays freeze frame data, performs battery health checks, supports multiple languages. The AUTOPHIX 3210 OBD2 scanner plugs into the OBD2 port of your car. The OBD2 port is located under the dashboard, usually near the steering wheel. Once the scanner is plugged in, you will need to download the free AUTOPHIX app onto your smartphone or tablet. The app will connect to the scanner and allow you to view the results of your tests. There are many benefits to using the AUTOPHIX 3210 OBD2 scanner, including saves you money on car repairs, helps you diagnose and fix problems quickly and easily, prevents future car problems, extends the life of your car, gives you peace of mind. Here are some pros and cons about AUTOPHIX 3210 OBD2 scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, compatible with a wide range of vehicles, compact and portable. Cons: not as powerful as some more expensive scanners. Overall, the AUTOPHIX 3210 is a great option for budget-minded users who are looking for an easy-to-use OBD2 scanner that can read and clear trouble codes, view live data streams, and perform a variety of other tests. However, if you need a more powerful scanner with more features, or if you are looking for a scanner with better customer service, then you may want to consider a different option. AUTOPHIX 3210 OBD2 scanner is a fantastic tool for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. It helps you understand your vehicle's health, diagnose issues, and ultimately save money on unnecessary repairs. If you're serious about maintaining your car, I highly recommend checking out the AUTOPHIX 3210. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.